In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register for an Amazon business account. Setting up a business account on Amazon can streamline your purchasing process and offer you access to exclusive features designed specifically for businesses. So, let's dive right in and walk through the steps to get you set up smoothly. First, you'll want to navigate to the Amazon business website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to create a free account. Click on that, and you'll be guided through the process. Now, when it comes to entering your email, it's essential to use one that's directly associated with your business or work. This not only helps keep your business communications organized, but also ensures you maintain a professional presence. Plus, it simplifies managing your orders and correspondence related to your business transactions. After you've entered your email, the next step is to complete the authentication. This might involve verifying your email address. You'll receive a confirmation message to the email you've provided, so make sure to check your inbox. Once you open this message, clicking on the provided link will confirm your email's validity and proper setup. This step is crucial because it secures your account and starts you off on the right foot by establishing credibility and correctness in your business dealings with Amazon. Continuing on, you'll now need to provide your business details. This part is where you give Amazon a bit more information about the entity you're setting up the account for. Be prepared to include details such as your business name, address, and possibly your type of business or industry. This information helps tailor the Amazon business experience to suit your specific needs and ensures that you receive the most relevant product options, services, and deals. It's also how Amazon verifies you as a legitimate business, unlocking those exclusive features we mentioned earlier. And that's it. You're now on your way to making the most of Amazon's business offerings. Remember, a well-organized Amazon business account can significantly impact your purchasing strategy, saving you time and possibly costs in the long run. With features like multi-user account management, detailed spending analysis, and access to exclusive discounts, your business will find new ways to optimize its procurement process. Don't forget to check out the other tools and settings available within your account dashboard, as these can further enhance your experience and efficiency. We hope this guide made the process simple and straightforward for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out for more help. Thanks for joining us today, and happy shopping on Amazon Business.